Good morning, students. Today we will start our new chapter, division. So, in this chapter, we will learn how to divide. Okay. So, there are some terms I think you know very well. The familiar terms like in division. First of all, we should know what is division. Division is a repeated subtraction. What is division? Division is a repeated subtraction. Okay. In division, or what is division? Division and multiplication are inverse operation. Division and multiplication both are inverse operation of each other. Okay, so in division, this number, by which number we are dividing, this is called divisor. How many times we divide, that is called quotient. To which number we are dividing, that is called dividend. And this, the number which is left is called remainder. So these four basic words which are using, four basic terms which we are using in our division. So there is formula for the checking your division. What is the formula? That is your dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So this is the very important formula which you must remember this one. I think you know also. Dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Whenever we will check our division is correct or not, so this formula will be required. Okay. Next, division is a repeated subtraction. As I mentioned, as I told, division is a repeated subtraction. So how? You can see here also in this example, I have to divide 75 divided by 15. Okay. So how? By the subtraction method it is possible. First I subtracted 75 minus 15, I got 60. Then again 60 minus 15, so I got it here 45. Again I 45 minus 15, what I got? 30. Again 35 minus 15, I got here 15. Again 15 minus 50 and we got 0. So we have to subtract till we are not getting 0. We have to continuously subtract till then we are not getting 0 or less than, means there is further subtraction is not possible, means after that we cannot subtract. So at that point we have to stop and we have to count how many times we have subtracted. So count 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 times. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So total 5 times we have subtracted. So our quotient is 5. So this is the process, division by the repeated subtraction. Next, on the number line also it is possible. How? We will draw this number line. Okay, so when you draw this number line, so what you have to do, you have to here is one example, that is we are going to do 8 divided 2. So we will divide 8 by 2. So first of all, what we will do, we will reach this 8, we will start from here 8. Okay, and we have to, and we will divide by which number? 2. So what we have to do, we have to take the step of 2 2. 2 2 means, suppose here is first and second, so there will be take the one break. Then 1 2, here is again one break. 1 2, again will one break. 1 2, one break. So I will move on the number line like that of the 2 steps until we are not reaching to the 0 or we are not getting this kind of paired number. Paired means 2 steps we will not get the further, because here is the pairing of 2. So how many steps we are taking? Every step we are taking 2. So either we stop on the 0 finally, or before 0, suppose that we are not getting this paired step, so there we will stop. So where we will stop, that is the answer. Okay, so sorry, that will be the not answer. Then after we will count how many steps we have taken. So you can count it here, how many steps we have taken? 1 2 3 and 4 steps, or you can say 4 breaks we have taken. So that is our quotient. So likewise we can do on the number line. If it is exactly, it will not come on the 0, so it's before also it is possible where we will not get the pair. Okay, next is our property of division. Property of division, when any number is divided by 1, the quotient is the number itself. Of course, when you divide any number by 1, what you will get? The same number you will get. This is the first property. Second is what? When you divide any number by itself, means same number you divide by same. So what will be the answer? Always 1. When you divide any number, means sorry, when you divide 0 by any number, when you divide 0 by any number, answer will be 0. Whenever you divide 0 by any number, what will be the quotient? 0. Okay, but the last one, division by 0 is not possible. This is very important one. Okay, division by 0 is not possible. Got it? Division by 0 is not possible. Means suppose 4, okay, and you want to divide it by 0, it is not possible. It is not possible. It is undefined. We cannot divide any number by 0. 6 divided by 0, it is also not possible. Okay, 0 can be divided by any number, you will get 0, but by 0 we cannot divide. Okay, it is not possible. So you please, this point is very important, please keep in mind. Okay, this one, last one. Okay, now some question we will solve. Okay, so then you will understand better. Okay, so first question we are going to solve from exercise 5a. We will solve some question from exercise 5a. Exercise 5a we are going to solve. Okay, page number is your 62. Okay, so here we are going to solve. First question is I will solve now question number 2. Question number 2 is, you have to divide 8001 by 9. Okay, we have to divide 9 by 8001. So what is the first step? If we divide, what is the first step? We will check the first digit from here. Always we have to check the leftmost extreme side digit. Leftmost side digit is what? 8. So can we divide by this 9 to 8? No, because this 8 is a smaller number. So what we will take? We will take one more digit. Now it is total 80. It is total 80 is there now. Now 80 can be divided by 9. Yes, because in the table 9, 80 is possible. So you know the table of 9 like 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, then after 54, 63, 72, 81 and 90. So this is the table of 9. Okay, so in this table we have to see where is we are getting just greater number than 80. Means we have to see where is the just greater than 80. So you can see here is the number, where is the, it is greater than 81, just greater than 80, 81, but we will not take 80, just smaller. Just before this, which number is here? See, 72. This 72 we will take. And how many times it is this 72 come? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. So I will write here 8 and minus it. Okay, so when you will use minus, you will get it 8 and okay. Now second step, we will bring one down digit. So there is again 80. So again 80, it means what? Same process, same by the same time we will do. So again 8 times 72. So again what will be the remainder? Again you will minus, you will get 8. Got it? And now this is now turn to bring 1. So now it is 81. Now after 81, you can see exactly the same number we are getting in 9th table. How many times? 9 times. So I will write 9 here, and now we can do here 81 here. Now we can subtract, we will get the 0. So now here this 889 is our quotient, and what is our remainder? Remainder is 0. So we can write like this: our quotient is 889 and our remainder is 0. So this is our answer. You can check it also, okay, by that formula. You can check by this formula also. This formula divisor into quotient plus remainder equals to dividend. By this formula you can check it also your division. Now next we will solve one more question. Question number 7 we will do. Okay, so question number 7 we will do. Number 7 is we have to divide 25 divided by 7,973. So we have to divide it. So now here is the problem. What is the problem? The biggest problem is here. We don't know the table of 25. Do you know the table of 25? I think no. Do you know the table of 25? No, because generally we are learning table up to 20. So in this case what we will do, first of all we will write the table. What we will do? First of all we will write the table of 25. So how we will write? First of all we will try to write the table of 25. Okay, so here we will try to write the table. So first we will write table. So we can write like this, 25 into 1. Okay, so that is your 25. 25 into 2 means you can multiply by 2, you will get 50. You can multiply again 25 by 3, so you will get 75. When you multiply 25 into 3 you will get 75. Then again 25 into 4 you can do, so you will get 100. Okay, same 25 multiplied by 5 you can do, you will get 125. If you do 25 multiplied by 6 you will get 150. You can multiply. Then I can multiply like this, 25 into 7. Okay, so now what you will get? You will get 175. Okay, next 25 into 8, that we can get 200. Understood? Now next 25 into 9, so we will get 225. Okay, next 25 into 10 we will get 250. So this is our table. So this table is ready for us. Okay, so we made table for the, I write the table for the 25 to divide it. Okay, here I want to add one more thing. अगर आपको टेबल ये मल्टीप्लाई करके नहीं लिखना है, हम टेबल कैसे लिखा, मल्टीप्लाई करके लिखा है ना, 25 इंटू 1 लाइक दिस, 25 इंटू 2. आप इस टेबल को और एक तरह से लिख सकते हो. जैसे मैंने इसको अभी ऐसे लिखा ना, अभी पहले हम टेबल 25 का टेबल और भी हम अलग तरह से लिख सकते हैं, ऐड करके. ठीक है, आपको जो भी इजी लगे. आपको मल्टीप्लाई करके लिखना है तो ठीक है, एक और मेथड मैं आपको बताता हूँ जिससे आप टेबल लिख सकते हो 25. जिसका टेबल आपको नहीं मालूम, वो आप उसके लिए आपको क्या करना है, आपको पहले क्या करना है, 25 करना है ना. सबसे पहला है इसको आप लिख दो. ठीक है, और ये फर्स्ट टाइम आया ना, इसको 1 लिख दो आप, मीन्स 1 टाइम. अभी आप क्या करना है, इस 25 में फिर से आप 25 को ऐड करो. ठीक है, आपको कितना मिलेगा, 50 मिलेगा. ठीक है, ये आपका हो गया सेकेंड. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट आपको क्या करना है, ऐसे ही ऐड करते जाना है. अभी हम फिर से इसमें 25 को ही ऐड करेंगे. ठीक है, अभी आपको कितना मिलेगा, 75. आपको जैसे 75 मिला, ये आपका 75 क्या हो गया, ये आपका थर्ड टाइम मिला. सो आप इसे थर्ड लिख दो. ठीक है, फिर आप इसमें से अगेन वी विल ऐड 25. ठीक है, आपको मिलेगा 100. ठीक है, आप ऐड करोगे आपको मिलेगा 100. सो 100 आपको कितने बार में मिला, 4 टाइम्स में. ठीक है, फिर आप ऐसे ही ट्राई करो, फिर से आप ऐड करो इसमें 25 को. आप जब वंस को वंस के साथ लिखना है और टेंस को टेंस वाले प्लेस के सामने लिखना है. ठीक है, इधर में 1 के नीचे कुछ नहीं होगा, 0 होगा. फिर आप इसको ऐड करो 100 और 25 को, यू विल गेट 125. सो ठीक है, तो ये आपका हो गया 5th टाइम. ठीक है, फिर आप इसको और ऐड करो, फिर से आप 25 को ऐड करो इसमें, तो आपको मिलेगा 150. और ये हो गया आपका 6th टाइम. ठीक है, फिर से आप इसमें ऐड करो 25. ठीक है, और आपको मिलेगा 175. 175 ये आपका हो गया 7th टाइम. ठीक है, फिर से आप इसमें ऐड करो 25. आपको मिलेगा 200, ठीक है। और ये 200 हो गया आपका 8 टाइम, ठीक है। फिर से आप इसमें ऐड करो 25, आपको मिलेगा यू विल गेट 225, और ये आपका हो गया 9 टाइम, ठीक है। अगेन वी विल डू 25, वी विल ऐड 25, ठीक है, और आपको मिलेगा 250, ठीक है। और ये आपका हो गया कितना टाइम, 10th टाइम, ठीक है। आप चेक करो दोनों टेबल में आपको सेम मिलेगा, आप देखो दोनों में, यू कैन सी हियर in both the table you can see same thing we are getting. Okay, here is also 25, 25, 50, 75, 100, 125, 150, okay, 100, then 125, then 150, then after 175, see 175, 8 times 200, here also 200, 9 times 225, and 10 times 250. So you can see in the both table we are getting the same number. तो आपको क्या करना है, आपको जो भी इजी लगे, ठीक है, आपको इस दोनों में से आपको जो भी इजी लगता है आप उसे यूज़ करो, ठीक है। आपको अगर ये वाला इजी लगा, ठीक है, आपको अगर फर्स्ट वाला इजी लगा ये वाला, तो आप ये वाला यूज़ करो, आपको ये वाला इजी लगा तो आप ये वाला करो, ठीक है। वो आपके ऊपर, आपको बस टेबल लिखना है, आपको मतलब सिर्फ टेबल से है, गॉट इट। तो आप दोनों में से कोई भी प्रोसेस फॉलो करके टेबल लिख सकते हो। नाउ नेक्स्ट व्हाट वी विल डू, नाउ वी कैन सॉल्व इजीली बिकॉज नाउ आई हैव द टेबल. Now 25, so 2 digits are there, so I will take here also 2 digit, got it. Now we can divide because 79 is greater than 25, so 25 you can see in this table how many times it is possible. See, here is of course 3 times will be possible, okay, because 4 times 100, so 3 times we will take 75, okay. So now you can subtract, you will get here 4 is 0. Now what I will do, I will bring this 7 down, so now 47. You can see here in 2 times there is 50, 2 times there is 50, so we will not take 50, so I will take this one to 1 time because 50 is greater than 47, so now 25, so we will subtract, so you can subtract, so you will get here 22. Now it's a turn to bring down this 3, okay. Now 3 will come here, so now it is 223. So now you can check in this table, here is it is greater than 223, just greater than 225, so now which we will take 200. So how many times 200? 8 times, so I will write here 8, okay. Now this 8, what is the remainder? 23. So we got here quotient is 318, you can see quotient is 318, and what is our remainder? 23. So likewise you can solve. If you don't know the table of any number, you can write the table and solve. Understood? One more we will do, one more question we will do, okay. Same from same exercise 5a I will solve number 14. So it is, we have to divide 92 by 64,702, okay. So now again here is table, 92 is the number. Can we divide 92? Yes, we can divide, but the problem again we don't know the table of 92. So मैंने आपको क्या बताया, 92 का टेबल नहीं पता, तो आप दो तरह से टेबल लिख सकते हो. कैसे? एक तो आप मल्टीप्लाई करके 92 इंटू 1, 92 इंटू 3, 92 इंटू 3, 92 इंटू 4, लाइकवाइज आप टेबल लिख लो. दूसरा मेथड मैंने क्या बताया था, ऐड कर करके लिखना है, ठीक है. तो ज़्यादा मुझे इजी लगा ऐड वाला, मैं इजी जो है ऐड करके ही मैं इधर लिखने वाला हूँ, ठीक है. ओके, सो आई विल ट्राई हियर टू राइट बाय द एडिशन. ओके, नाइन्टी टू का लिखना है, तो हम पहले आई विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 92. सो आई विल राइट हियर, सॉरी, नाइन्टी टू, ये कितने टाइम होगा, 1 टाइम. सो राइट हियर 1. अगेन यू विल ऐड 92 हियर, गॉट इट. सो यू विल गेट 100, you add it, you will get 184. ये आपका कितना टाइम हो गया, सेकेंड टाइम, 2 टाइम. अगेन वी विल ऐड again we will add here 92. Okay, so we will add 92 here. So what we will get, you can add it, you just write in the ones place in front of one place, second place, tens place in front of second place. Likewise you write the digit, because always you have to write from left to right to left. So arrange 4 plus 2, it will be 6, 7 and it will be 2. So this is your third time. Okay, now again add 92, you will get 368. This is your fourth time. Got it? Now again we will add 92, so you will get 400 8 plus 2, 460. So this is your how many times, 5 times. Okay, now here I will add again 92, so you will get 552. So this is your again how many times, 6 times. Again we will add 92, so we will get here 664. Okay, this is our 7th time. Now again I will add here 92, so you will get 736. You can add, and this is your 8 times. Now again we will add here 92, 6 plus 2 8, so here you will get 2 and here is 8, 828. This is your 9th time. Again we will add 92. Okay, so when you add 92, you will get 920, and this is your 10th time. Okay, so our table is ready now. Okay, our table is ready here. Now we have to divide. So here is 92, you can see here is 92, here is 64, 2 digits. We will not able to divide. So for this what we will do, we will take one more digit. So now all together we will take 647, that is 647. Now you can check in your table where 647 lies. Okay, so see here, in 1 time 92, 2 times 184, 3 times 276, 4 times 368. Okay, then 460, 5 times, 6 times 552, 7 times 664, and 8 times you can see 736, which is greater than our number. This number is greater than, so I will take this one, 664 7 times. Okay, 664 7 times, so I will write here 7, and here I will write 664, and we will subtract. So here will be 3. Now I will bring down 0. Now you can see this 30 can we divide by this 92? No, because 30 is smaller number. So if we are not able to divide, what we will do, we will write the 0. Okay, अगर आप नंबर को डिवाइड नहीं कर पा रहे हो, अभी आप पे 30 हो गया ना, 92 से आप डिवाइड नहीं कर पाएंगे, तो इसके लिए क्या करेंगे, अगले नंबर को नीचे लाने के लिए उससे पहले आपको यहाँ पे 0 देना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि आपने 0 टाइम कुछ भी डिवाइड नहीं करा, इसलिए हमने यहाँ पे 0 लिखा. ठीक है, अभी आप क्या करना है, अब इस 2 को आप नीचे ला सकते हो. अब आ गया नीचे ये, व्हाट इज़ द नंबर नाउ, 302. अब फिर से इस टेबल में हम चेक करेंगे 302 कहाँ पर आ सकता है. आप देखो 302 से बड़ा 368 मिला, तो हमें ये नहीं लेंगे, इसे जस्ट एक पहले वाला लेंगे. 3 टाइम्स कितना मिला मुझे, 276. तो अब इसे आप यहाँ पे लिखेंगे हम लोग. ठीक है, दैट वी विल टेक हियर हाउ मेनी टाइम्स, 3 टाइम्स. व्हाट इज़ दैट, 276, and we will subtract it. So you will get, here is 6, here is 2. Okay, now what is our quotient? Now we get here 703. Okay, so we got the quotient equals to 703, and what is our remainder, 26. Got it? So this is our answer. So likewise you can solve if the bigger number is there, which if you don't know the table of that particular number, you can do like this. Understood? Okay. Now next we will do, there is some rules. If you divide by 0 or the multiples of 0, like 100, 10, 100, 1000, and likewise the multiples of 100 if you will do, so there is a very easy method to solve it. So what is the method? First of all, if you can see here, if I divide by 10, so you can see how many zeros are there, 1 0. So last we will take like this. I just do one example, then you will understand better. If I have to divide 622 divided by 10, so how you will divide? 622 divided by 100, so how many times? Of course 6 times. 60, it will be 2 again 2 times 20. What will be the remainder? 2. So our here quotient is 62 and remainder is, you can see, 2. Quotient is 62 and our remainder is 2. But we can do the same by the trick, some special method for this. Same number 622 and I have to divide it by 10. अभी आपको इसमें क्या करना है, 10 में आप 0 देखो कितना है, देयर इज हाउ मेनी जीरोस इन द 10, एक 0 है ना. अब आप इसमें क्या करेंगे, इस वाले डिजिट में आपको राइट साइड में, सबसे जो राइट वाला साइड है उधर से आप काउंटिंग स्टार्ट करेंगे, राइट से लेफ्ट, आप इधर से इधर काउंटिंग करेंगे स्टार्ट. ठीक है. अब यहाँ पे कितना 0 था, 1 0, तो इधर में सिर्फ एक डिजिट लेंगे. ठीक है, आपने सिर्फ ये डिजिट लिया. ठीक है, और ये वाला डिजिट जो आपने लिया 2, ये आपका पता है, दिस 2 विल बी योर रिमाइंडर. ये 2 आपका क्या बन जाएगा, रिमाइंडर बन जाएगा. ठीक है, ये आपका 2 क्या हो गया, रिमाइंडर. और दिस 2 आप ये दोनों देख रहे हो, जो बच गया 62, ये आपका क्वोशेंट हो जाएगा. तो आप इसके साथ मैच करके देखो, 62 आपका क्वोशेंट था, रिमाइंडर क्या था, 2 था. ठीक है, आप दोनों में मैच करो, you can match in the both answer. Here is 62 and 2. Here is also we are getting quotient is what, 62 and remainder is 2. Okay, one more example we will do. See, suppose I have to divide I am taking one number like I have to divide 15893 15,893 and I have to divide it by the 1000. So you can divide it like 1 time 1000. Okay, so you will get 589, again 3 will come down, 3 will be here, so 5 time 5000 here and remainder will be 893. So this is the one method. Now by the trick what we will do, simply I will write, for this trick I will write same question 15893 and we have to divide it by 1000. So what I told, आपने मैंने आपको क्या बताया, इसमें आपको काउंट करना है कितना जीरोस है, 3 0 है ना इसमें. ठीक है, अभी अब क्या करना है, इस नंबर में आपको देखना है जिसको आपको डिवाइड करना है. इसमें आपको क्या करना है, सबसे पहले आपको मूव करना है, किधर से काउंटिंग किधर से करना है, राइट साइड से स्टार्ट करना और लेफ्ट साइड की ओर जाना है. ठीक है, सबसे राइट साइड से होते हुए लेफ्ट तक जाना है. ठीक है, अभी आपके इसमें कितना 0 है, 3 zeros आर देयर. अभी हम क्या करेंगे, इसमें से 3 काउंट करेंगे, 1 2 और 3. 3 0, जितना 0 है उतना ही काउंट करेंगे. कितना काउंट करेंगे, 3, राइट से लेफ्ट की ओर, 1 2 3. अभी इस 3 को आप राउंड कर दो, जो भी आप 3 डिजिट को काउंट किए उसको राउंड अप कर दो, और ये जो आपका राउंड अप के अंदर आया ये आपका रिमाइंडर हो गया. ठीक है, और जो भी आपका इस राउंड के बाहर है, कौन है बाहर, 15, ये आपका क्या हो गया, क्वोशेंट हो गया. आप दोनों से मैच करके देखो, यहाँ पे क्वोशेंट कितना था, 15, रिमाइंडर 893, here is also 893. Understood? So likewise you can do, if the you have to divide number by the multiples of 10. Okay, one more question we will do, that is like from exercise 5b. Okay, in 5b, number 9 we can do. Here number 9 we will do 600. We have to divide it by the 7,193. So here is again the problem is 600. We don't know the table of 600. So don't worry. If there is a zeros are there, if there is zeros are there, means here I do something. If zeros are there, suppose 600, so zeros are there, don't worry about this zero, you just forget about. Now for this you forget about this zero. Okay, you just forget about this zero. What is only there? 6. You know the table of 6? Yes, आपको 6 का टेबल पता है ना. आप जीरो को भी भूल जाओ, सिर्फ आप 6 को देखो. आपको 6 का टेबल आता है, यू जस्ट राइट द टेबल ऑफ 6. सो आप टेबल लिख देंगे 6 का. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48 and 54 and 60. दिस इज द टेबल ऑफ 6. अब आपको इसमें क्या करना है, अभी आप इस जीरो को, इस दो जीरो को आप भूल गए थे ना, वी डिड नॉट टेक दिस 2 0. सो नाउ व्हाट आई विल डू, दिस 2 0 आई विल प्लेस इन दिस टेबल. ओके, so what I will do, this 0, this 2 0 I will place. So this 2 0 you can write here. Here now it will be 1800, 2400. So in this all numbers you place 2 0. Okay, because that 2 0 we did not take, so now write 2 2 0. Okay, now this is the table of 600. Now we have the table of 600. Now we can easily divide. So you can see 79, 719, here is 600. So 2 times you can see 1200 is there, we cannot take, so 1 time we will take. So 1 time it will be 600. So you can subtract now, you will get 911. Okay, now term next is we will bring down this 3. So now 1193. Again you can see in the table, in 2 times 1200, so that we will not take. Again we will take only 1 time. So 1 time is your 600 and we will subtract it. So here is 3, 9, here is 5. So now our division is over. So you can see what is the quotient. Quotient is our 11 and remainder is 593. Got it? So if the zeros are there and we have to write the table, simply we will write the table of that particular number and then after we will place the 0. Okay, you can see here this is the table of 600. So how does we write and all that. So you can solve exercise 5a and 5b. Thank you.